So I'm at Habitat store today, looking for vintage fans. Four Seasons 3 right here. No idea what that is. It looks like an Emerson Designer. Looks like lighted housing too. I don't think that's lighted housing. Might be though. Regency. I don't know what that is. Huntington, I would never buy this. Or that Landmark down there. Well, I might buy a Huntington, but definitely never a Landmark. Another Four Seasons 3. This one is a hugger. I don't know what that one is. One's Hampton Bay. I really want to find out what blades these go to. Because it looks like they go to some sort of... it looks like they go to an SMC Laguna. And I would really want an SMC Laguna. There's another one up there. Can't. I think that's a Regency. I know this one is a hugger. I think I already said that. I really want these two Four Seasons 3s. That's all that I've noticed yet. I'll probably make another video the next time I come back here. To look for more fans. Anyway, thanks for watching.